I am ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Asifa Sheikh. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra, the city of dream. I'm a fashion designer by profession. My dream is to be a successful individual, not only by profession, but also in other phases of my life. That is the reason I work with utmost determination and sincerity. I'm very thankful to Axia platform for giving me this great opportunity to express myself and bringing out the best of me. I will surely make this opportunity count and will perform with my heart. Ma'am, can I start? Thank you.
Thank you, Asifa. Thank you so much. I would request all you women out there to digitally appreciate, smile, and clap for each other. You know, it's a community performance that we are doing. And now let's hear it from Shelza. Shelza, over to you. Would request you to comment upon Asifa's performance.
Sure. Hi, Asifa. How are you?
Hello, ma'am.
So, Asifa, you were very good when you walked.
Sorry,
It's just
ma'am, I'm
that the-
audible. You're not audible.
Am I not audible? Harry, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Shelza. Is Shelza not audible to you, Asifa?
1 minute, ma'am. Actually, my audio. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, Asifa?
Yes, yes.
So, Asifa, you were very good with your introduction and your walk. Just practice a little bit of more posing. That's all that I can say for now. All the very best.
Okay.
All right, moving on. Let's hear it from Deepa then. Hi, Deepa.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hey, I just want to apologize. I'm currently actually traveling, so I can just give my introduction for now, and then I can send my a walk video later on. Will that be okay? As I spoke with Kushi, I'm so sorry about this.
I think you need to get in touch with Khushi, Deepa. There is some miscommunication there, and I'll put you into a later slot, or you can just have a word with her. I'll ask her to get in touch. Okay?
That will be fine. I'm so sorry again.
No issues. Next we have Dia. Hi, Dia. Okay, I guess she got disconnected. We can hear it from Indra next, and post her the sequence would be Ishi, Madhulika, Manju, Mayurika. Hi, Indra.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
To introduce myself, I am Indra Thakur, law graduate by profession, law graduate by qualification, and administrator by profession. I am a very social, kind, and emotional person. My interest includes driving, traveling, listening to loud music, tracking, swimming, playing, badminton, dancing. I would say that I'm jack of all trades, but master of none. But whenever I get an opportunity to do any of these things, I love to do it with my all heart and soul in it. Reason to be here is that after so many years of and personal life, growing. So this platform, I felt that I to grow again, to learn many things, and to explore myself. I want to transit from being a better self of my to best self of myself. And I would also like to inspire and be a role model to all the women out there to chase their dreams or fulfill their dreams. Thank you very much. Ma'am, I would like to start my ramp up now. म्यूजिक लगाओ म्यूजिक लगाओ म्यूजिक लगाओ Done, ma'am.
Thank you, Indra. Thank you
Hello.
so much. I would request Smita to comment upon your performance.
Good evening, Indra.
Ma'am, you're not audible. Hello.
Harry, can you hear?
Yes, Smita, I can hear you. Indra,
No, ma'am, you're not audible.
Indra, you'll have to be patient. Your network is fluctuating a lot, so it's your end that is good.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sick.
So try to be more stable in a more stable space where your network doesn't fluctuate. And Smita, over to you.
Yeah. Indra, your walk was good, confident, but you need to relax a bit. The
Okay,
start
ma'am.
of the introduction, you were not having eye contact. Try to
Yes,
have eye
ma'am.
contact when you
Actually, ma'am,
speak.
there are so many faces I was not able to make any contact with
Just have
particular
one
person.
focus. No, just have one focus somewhere on the screen.
Okay.
Because you were not looking at the screen, but everywhere else, right? And relax
Yes,
yourself.
yes, ma'am.
You have
Because
come so
actually
far.
that was the reason that. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, right. So no worries, but just try to be a little bit relaxed, and then go ahead with it, right? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Madhulika. Hi, Madhulika.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Me also fine.
Great. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Madhulika Vandewar. I am from Orange City, Nagpur. My hobbies are drawing and designing of mehendi. I like to explore myself as I want to learn new things. As I had explored myself in drawing, designing mehendi, acting, dancing, etc. So I found this platform as where I can grow myself. I can learn new things. So that's all. Can I start ramp up? Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, Madhulika, you can start. Thank you, Madhulika. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hi, Madhulika. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Hello, Madhulika. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Very well, thank you. So, Madhulika, you were very good today. I did notice the background appreciation that you have done of the place. You had put on the ramp and everything. So, my only little suggestion to you would be that hold your poses when you walk. Do a little wee bit faster when you are walking. Ramp walk has to be a little deliberate so that someone who is looking at you can appreciate you as a person in totality. Okay? All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madhulika. Next, we have Manju, and post her the sequence would be Mayurika, Vibha, Momita, Nancy, Payal. Hi, Manju.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yeah,
Go ahead. All the best.
thank you. Hi, good evening, all. My name is Manju Yadav. I am 26 years old. My height is 5'3". I'm working as earlier I'm working as a GRE in the hospitality industry. Now I'm working as a model. I have already done many of the runways, and I'm going to do a fashion show as well. This one and the another one as well. So can I start my ramp walk? Thank you. ये वाला जो है ना, इसको click करना। Yeah, it's done, ma'am. Thank you. I think the camera was not.
Thank you, Manju. Thank you so much. Smita, over to you.
Yes. Good evening, Manju.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Manju, the music was not there while the ramp walk.
Actually, the music was there, but the sound was not that much because my lappy is very far from the phone, and I have
Okay.
already taken the lead here. It's not
Okay.
working. The audio is not working properly.
Okay. The makeup is also not that visible. Apparently, you have not practiced before this round, Manju.
No, actually, I have practiced earlier. Okay, but the thing is this, that my house, the space is not that much that we can walk actually. So this is the only issue.
Yeah, otherwise it was good. But while you were walking, so your face was not visible. So the camera was not set properly, and
Yeah.
the music was not there. But otherwise, overall good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manju. Thank you so much. Also, guys, you don't have to ask for my permission to start with your ramp walk. That is your time, and I won't be interrupting in between to mention the same. Next would be Mayurika. Hi, Mayurika.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, are we ready?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. You can go ahead. All the best.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mayurika. And as my name is Mayurika, which means feather of a peacock. And just like peacock's feather, I have many talents. As the peacock feather, it has a many beautiful color. I have many talents. I'm a multi-talented girl. I'm 19 years old. I have completed my 12th and now I'm planning to take admission in B Pharma. I am very hardworking girl and I believe nothing is impossible if you really want to get it. मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है. I love dancing. I want to become a model as well as I want to do something in medical field to save people of our country. Thank you. Now I will start with my ramp walk. Just a minute. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mayurika. And I would request Shelza to take over.
Hi, Mayurika. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Very well, thank you. So, Mayurika, I really appreciate that you had put in a lot of effort into your introduction, even your walk. I could see that you had memorized and rehearsed some poses well. My only little observation was that when you put your arm with which you're resting on your waist, the other arm, don't keep your hands tight. Don't keep it open. The palms are to be folded and an arch has to make when it is resting to your body. Okay, so never keep your hands straight like this. Just keep it a little arch. Okay, so that adds more grace to your entire look. But I quite loved it and all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. And I will work on this. Thank you so much, ma'am.
God bless.
Thank you, Mayurika. Thank you so much. And I think next we have Vibha. She's just joined. Hi, Vibha.
Am I audible?
Not Payal, it's Vibha. Hi, Vibha. Vibha, आप mute पे हैं. Can you unmute yourself? Yeah, are you ready? Go ahead, all the best.
Namaste and good evening to all. I am Vibha Gajpir from Navi Mumbai. I'm here to prove there is no age limit to live your dreams. I believe that to live your dreams, you have to push yourself and work hard. I'm grateful to have a family who have always believed in me and have supported me in my dreams. I want to set an example to all the women who could not pursue their dreams and ambitions. I want to be a role model for my little princess and all the women, and wanted to know all of them that the world is the oyster and you can achieve whatever you want. Thank you. I'll start with the walk.
Thank you, Vibha. Thank you so much. Smita, over to you.
Hi, Vibha.
Hi, Smita.
Your daughter is too interested, huh?
Yes.
But I like the way you handled the situation. You didn't got affected by that. So that's a good one. And definitely little bit more relaxed one while you were giving introduction. So we could feel कि little bit थोड़ा सा वो tension है. So relax करो यार. You have reached so far, right? And you are looking very pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vibha. Thank you so much. And next we have Momita. Hi, Momita.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. So, hello, respected my judges and my fellow competitors. Myself, Momita Sultana. And thank you so much, guys, for giving me this opportunity. I think FSI is the only competition that not only values the beauty, but also it has the perform which, sorry, ma'am, can I start again? Okay, so hello, good evening, my respected judges and all my fellow competitors. Myself, Momita Sultana, and I live in West Bengal at a small city named Kushinagar. So thank you so much, guys, for giving me this opportunity. I think the FSI is the only platform that you can grow yourself, okay? Grow your self-confident, and this is only, okay. Okay, so I think FSI is the only platform that not only value to the beauty, but also it value for the many other competition, many other performance like dancing, painting, singing, etc. It also grooms yourself, and which is very important in our life, and teach us how to overcome the flaws and how to grooming yourself, how to make up, how to modeling and ramp walk and lots of things, and also the modeling, and also the shines yourself. Okay, so being a part of this competition, I am very memorable, and this is the only competition that I have best in my life, and I have in my life this type of competition, the best journey of my life this is. And thank you so much, guys, again for giving me this opportunity. Ma'am, can I go to the wrap up? Hello.
Yes, Momita. You don't have to ask for my permission. I already mentioned.
Okay, just a minute. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Momita. Thank you so much. And Shalza, over to you.
हेलो मोमिता, आप कैसे हैं?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
मोमिता, पहली बात तो आप ये समझें कि जब इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं तो इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो 40 सेकेंड 45 सेकेंड से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, आपको एक चीज जो आप कन्वे कर देते हैं उसको बार बार कन्वे नहीं करते। दूसरी बात, प्लीज रिमेम्बर दिस। ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन में आप जो है बहुत सोच समझ कर अपनी बेस्ट एट्रीब्यूट्स बताते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अ कंपटीशन एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू शोकेस द बेस्ट that you are born with or you have acquired over a period of time. All right. अब आपकी जो रैंप वॉक की बारी आई उसमें आई कुड नॉट हियर योर म्यूजिक। आपने म्यूजिक चलाया था?
यस मैम, दूसरे फोन से चलाया था मैंने।
फॉर सम रीजन आई कुड नॉट हियर इट। आप जो वॉक कर रहे थे उसमें जो है स्वे थोड़ा ज्यादा था। स्वे का मतलब आप बहुत ज्यादा हिल रहे थे, शोल्डर्स ऐसे ऐसे करके। तो जब आप वॉक करते हैं तो आपका जो टॉर्सो है वो इतना नहीं हिलता, वेस्ट डाउनवर्ड्स आपकी बॉडी ज्यादा हिलती है। ओके, तो इस चीज की आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे।
ओके
ऑल द बेस्ट।
मैम। मैंने एक बात है कि मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छी तरह से तैयारी की थी, तो मैं बहुत ही मतलब घबरा गई थी पहली बात।
कोई बात नहीं, कंपटीशन है तो घबराहट तो हर किसी के लिए होना
मैंने
बहुत
बहुत अच्छी तरह से
नॉर्मल
मैंने
बात है।
मतलब कल से जब से सुना मैं आज है, तो तब से मैं इंट्रोडक्शन अपना तैयार की है, रैंप वॉक भी की है, तो पता नहीं कैसे हो गया ये सब।
नहीं, कुछ आपने गलत नहीं किया है, सब आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है। पर क्योंकि मैं एक पैजेंट कोच हूँ तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा सिखा रही थी ताकि आगे आप इससे भी अच्छा।
थैंक यू सो मच
ऑल द
मैम।
बेस्ट।
Thank you, Momita. Next, we have Nancy, and post her, the sequence would be Payal, Sonam, Sweetie, Neelam, Nikita, Sonal, and Shamashri. Hi, Nancy.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ready, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
All the best.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nancy from Bihar, Samastipur, and I am doing MBBS third year from Heritage Institute of Medical Science, Varanasi. And I love doing all kind of work like and singing, dancing, acting, and I also wanted to become a doctor to showcase to save the lives of all the people of the country. And I also wanted to take part in this competition because I like to set the example for all other girls of the country. Thank you so much. So, ma'am, can I start with the ramp walk?
Yes, Nancy, you can. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you so much. Smita, over to you.
Hi, Nancy.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. बहुत नर्वस हो?
Yes, ma'am. थोड़ी
अभी
सी।
इतना अच्छा स्माइल कर रहे हो तो इंट्रोडक्शन के टाइम पे कहाँ चला गया था स्माइल?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे कि टीचर ने खड़ा कर दिया है और आप आंसर कर रहे हो, राइट? वरना जब आप इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं, there has to be that confidence क्योंकि आप आपके बारे में बता रहे हैं, राइट? So there has to be that happiness. वो दिखना चाहिए आपके फेस पे कि आप प्राउडली बता रहे हैं कि this is me, right? So हमेशा याद रखिए कि whenever you introduce, there has to be that smile. Confidently आप बात कीजिए, आपने अचीव किया है. You have dreamt of becoming a doctor. So इससे बड़ी चीज क्या हो सकती है?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And बाकी सब कुछ आपका ये था. When you are doing makeup, थोड़ा सा आप चेक कर लेना, आपका काजल थोड़ा सा नीचे स्प्रेड हो गया है, नैन्सी. थोड़ा सा उसको, इन सारी चीजों को, छोटी छोटी चीजों को थोड़ा सा आप ख्याल रखिएगा नेक्स्ट टाइम, राइट?
Thank you.
Thank you, Nancy. Next, we have Nikita. Hi, Nikita.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, all the best.
I'm done. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Nikita. Thank you so much. And over to you, Shelza.
हेलो निकिता, आप कैसे हैं?
हेलो मैम, मैं अच्छी हूँ और आप कैसे हो?
बिल्कुल अच्छे से। आपने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया अपना?
नहीं मैम, वो थोड़ा आवाज नहीं आ रही थी ना मोबाइल से, तो समझ में नहीं आया। मेरा नाम निकिता पाटिल है और मैं बेलगाम सिटी कर्नाटक से हूँ और मैं अभी बीकॉम परस्यू कर रही हूँ और जॉब भी करती हूँ मैं।
ओके। और आपकी रैंप वॉक अच्छी थी, थोड़ी सी स्लो थी इन कंपैरिजन टू जो आपको म्यूजिक की बीट देगी है, तो थोड़ा सा आप और उसको प्रैक्टिस करिए। और जब हम म्यूजिक देते हैं रैंप वॉक के लिए, वो बेसिकली होता है सारे जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उन सबको एक रिदम में वॉक कराने के लिए, सिंक्रोनाइज करने के लिए, क्योंकि उसकी जो अपील होती है स्टेज पे वो बहुत अच्छी लगती है। नहीं तो हर कोई अगर अपने पेस पे वॉक करेगा, तेज स्लो, तो वो जो पेस होता है, जो वाइब होती है एक इवेंट की, वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है। सो जो आपको दिया गया है म्यूजिक, उसके ऊपर उसी के पेस पे अगर आप वॉक करेंगे तो आपकी वॉक भी बेटर। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट निकिता।
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Nikita. Next we have Payal. Hi, Payal.
Hello, ma'am. I am audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go
I am
ahead.
ready. Hello. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to express myself. I am Payal. I live in India. I am originally from Kolkata. Now I based in Uttar Pradesh, Hubli district. I am pursuing my post-graduation in the specialization of Bengali. I love to do mandala art. I am a teen writer also. I have a dream, that is, I want to become a sincere professional model. I want to establish my personality in this way and achieve something. It makes my personality my identity. Thank you. Can I start my rap book?
Thank you, Payal. Thank you so much. Smita, over to you.
Hi, Payal.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. Your introduction बीच में क्या हो गया? Got nervous?
Yeah, I've got nervous.
राइट सो थोड़ा सा प्रिपरेशन कमी रह गई है आपकी प्रैक्टिस में फिर, राइट?
नहीं मैम, बीच में कहा हो गया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
ओके, एनी विच वे, अदरवाइज इंट्रोडक्शन आपका अच्छा ही था, आप अच्छा ही बोल रहे थे, बट बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट क्योंकि आप आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? So these are some things you should be happy and proud. Sure, you should be proud about it, right? तो एकदम नर्वस नहीं होना है, आप यहाँ तक अगर आए हो, so definitely there is something in you. So be confident about yourself. Walk में थोड़ा सा आपका stiffness लग रहा था, so you need to loosen a little bit, right? Or otherwise, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Payal. Thank you so much. And next we have Sonam. Hi, Sonam.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, all the best.
Good evening, madam, and all juries. First of all, thank you giving me this opportunity by FCR. My name is Sonam Kumari Gupta. I am from West Bengal. By profession, I am teacher. Modeling is my passion and dream. I love modeling. So, I am here today, this platform. I want to become a successful model in this city. That is, no, that is ma'am. I start my ramp walk, ma'am.
Thank you, Sonam. And I would request.
हेलो सोनम, कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक है मैम, आप?
वेरी नाइस। तो मुझे आप बताइए, जो आपने आज रैंप वॉक किया उसको आप कितने नंबर देंगे 10 में से?
मैम ज्यूरी आप है तो हम कैसे बता सकते हैं, हमने तो परफॉर्म किया है सिर्फ।
आपसे हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं तो आप जवाब दीजिए।
ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी 5।
इतने कम क्यों?
क्योंकि जरा कॉन्फिडेंस का कमी था, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस।
लैक ऑफ
I know
कॉन्फिडेंस
that.
एंड लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस आल्सो। प्रैक्टिस भी आप शायद नहीं उतनी कर पाए क्योंकि आप जब पोज कर रहे थे तो आप मेंटली डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे थे आप किस टाइप का पोज करना है।
यस मैम, क्योंकि मेरा 15 दिन से तबीयत बहुत खराब है मैम, और हम सिर्फ 15 मिनट ही मतलब प्रैक्टिस किए थे, वो भी इंट्रोडक्शन प्लस क्या होता है रैंप वॉक।
चलिए, आप जल्दी ठीक हो जाएं एंड मे यू बी बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट राउंड। ऑल द बेस्ट।
नेक्स्ट राउंड में आएंगे तो बोलने का मौका नहीं देंगे मैम, बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, सोच के रखे हैं।
ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Sonam. Next we have Sweetie, and post her the sequence would be Neelam, Sonal, Shamyashri, Akansha, Joycey, Divyani. Hi, Sweetie.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are we
Good
ready?
evening to Tejas and good evening to all participants. I am Sweetie Kaur and I am a 26-year-old. I have completed my post-graduation in mechanical engineering, and now I am trying to focus on modeling and that's why I am participate here. And also one event is going to Supermodel. I have also participated there, and I like to traveling, gym, and reading also. And I have here for I want to create my identity to I create my identity for taking taking a stand for everyone who listen for my okay, sorry, and now I'm going to start my ramp walk. तिकडून येईल तेव्हा बस का हा चालू कर. दिसतच आहे का नाही? Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sweetie. Thank you so much. Smita, over to you.
Good evening, sweetie.
Good evening, ma'am.
जितना रैंप वॉक में आपने कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया, इंट्रोडक्शन में क्यों नहीं था?
थोड़ा नर्वस हो गई थी मैम.
खूप जास्त नर्वस होता.
हो खूप जास्त. मला जरा असं बोलताना मी जरा घाबरून जाते आणि इतका कॉन्फिडन्स नाहीये. कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल साठी मी इथं आलेली आहे ज्याच्यासाठी की माझं इम्प्रूव्हमेंट होऊ शकतं.
नेवर माइंड, नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस और करो. जब आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देना है, आपको जब पता था, तो खड़े होके आप या तो मिरर के सामने या कंप्यूटर के सामने थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस कर लेते, राइट? तो इस तरह का कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छे से आएगा. ठीक है? या
यस, थैंक यू मैम.
Next we have Neelam. Hi, Neelam.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, are we ready, Neelam?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. मेरा नाम नीलम है. मैं हरियाणा से बिलोंग करती हूँ. बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम ए सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस. माय डेजिग्नेशन इज लैब टेक्नीशियन इन हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट. सो थैंक यू मैम, गिव मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू सो मच. और अभी मैं अपना रैंप अप कर रही हूँ मैम. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Neelam. Thank you so much. And I request Shelza to take over.
हेलो नीलम, कैसे हैं आप?
गुड इवनिंग मैम. अच्छी हूँ मैम.
सो नीलम, आपकी वॉक अच्छी थी. सिर्फ ये था कि आप बहुत तेज चल रहे थे. शायद आप नर्वस थे, इसीलिए आप चाह रहे थे कि जल्दी म्यूजिक बंद हो और मेरी टर्न खत्म हो जाए. हाँ, लेकिन जब आपको बारी मिलती है तो उसको अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कीजिए. आपने अगर पार्टिसिपेट किया है तो आपने अपने आप को compete करने के लिए पार्टिसिपेट किया है. कंपटीशन में आप जब तक अच्छे से दिखेंगे नहीं, आप अपनी प्रतिभा अच्छे से नहीं दिखाएंगे सबको, तो द जूरी मेंबर्स हैं वो कैसे अप्रिशिएट कर पाएंगे, है ना? तो आपने अच्छा वॉक किया जितना भी किया, लेकिन आप थोड़े से तेज थे. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा अगर आप रैंप वॉक के वीडियोस भी देखेंगे जाकर यूट्यूब पे, या आप मेरे पे जाके देखिए, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है आपसे, है ना? और उसके लिए थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करिए, तो वो अपने आप जब प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो वो फॉल अपने आप आ जाता है. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Neelam. Next we have
Thank
Sonal.
you.
Hi, Sonal.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, all the best.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Sonal Jaiswal. I live at Renukut, Uttar Pradesh. I am 21 years old. I am doing now BSc nursing student, and my hobbies include acting, dancing, cooking, mehendi, stitching. That's all. Can I start, ma'am? Namaste, ma'am.
Thank you, Sonal. Thank you so much. And I would request Smita to take over.
Hi, Sonal.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
सोनल आपका वीडियो ऑफ है?
Wait, ma'am.
यस, अभी आपका पूरा फेस दिख रहा है. आप एक एंगल से ये कर रहे थे, आपका शायद वैसा सेट किया हुआ है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
जब आप
Yes,
ऑनलाइन
ma'am.
प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपका इंट्रोडक्शन और हो रहा है, मेक श्योर कि आपका फेस पूरा दिखे, राइट?
जी,
और
ma'am.
आपका पूरा अटेंशन आप यहाँ पे रखिएगा जब आप इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं. आई कांटेक्ट होना चाहिए. डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे काफी फेसेस है, बट मेक श्योर कि एक पॉइंट पर ही आप फोकस कर रखे अपना ध्यान. आप यहाँ वहाँ आपका जा रहा है अटेंशन, थोड़ा सा वो देखिए. अदरवाइज ओवरऑल गुड परफॉर्मेंस.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sonal. Thank you so much. Next, we have Soumi. Hi, Soumi.
Hello. Hello and good evening to all the beautiful and talented ladies here. I'm Shomi Roy, happily completed 18 years of my life since birth in the city of Joy, Kolkata. My hobbies included painting, photography. I've also been an athlete, and I've also been a trained classical dancer. I'm a person driven by passion, and I strongly believe with determination, focus, and hard work, everything is possible in life. I'm here to bring about certain changes in society with working for women education, as well as abolishing the idea of domestic violence will help me create a better environment for women. Now we're going to start with the ramp walk. Thank you.
Thank you, Shomi. Thank you so much. I will request Shelda to take over.
Hi, Shomi. How are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am. Hope you're doing good too.
Thank you. I am. So, Shomi, I heard you. You are an athlete, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your specialty?
I've been an athlete as I used to do race for 200 and 400 meter in the state level.
Great. So, you're still pursuing it?
No, actually, I'm appearing for my 12th boards this year. I'm not continuing it now, but I hope I'm going to do it in future as well.
So your ramp walk was good. The only thing is that the energy levels were not contained well. It's good to have, attitude, which you did. You walked very smartly, but when you're walking the ramp, your feet have to fall very smoothly on the floor. Okay, so they were making a lot of noise that distracted me when I was watching you walk. Otherwise, you walked really well. So next time when you're doing the ramp walk, make sure that your heels don't make noise louder than the music. That's it. Okay. Otherwise, I quite enjoyed it, and all the very best to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shami. Next we have Shamashri, and post her the sequence would be Akansha, Joycey, Divyani, Hemlata, Daksha, Akshada, Aditi, and Shweta. Hi, Shamashri.
Hi, how are you, ma'am?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All the best.
Thank you. Good evening, judges. I am Shyamashri Chatterjee from Kolkata. I am professional classical dancer. Now I am working a media house, and I have an institute, and acting and modeling is my passion, and photography and singing is my hobby. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shamashri. And I would like to request Simita to comment.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So how is this from classical dance to
Actually,
India?
I like stage, light, creativity. That's why.
Okay, so you were a professional dancer as well?
Yes, Bharatanatyam dancer.
Okay, so you should have added that also in your introduction.
Yes.
Right, so you have so much to tell about in your introduction, right? Ramp was good, it started well, but end mein aapka wapas that music stopped. There was some glitch, and I think you had to look for the music. See, whenever you are coming when you have a limited time, be prepared, right? The time that you're spending looking for that music, it's your time. You could have done something in that time, right?
I'm so sorry, ma'am, because
yeah. There is nothing to say sorry about, but these are the learnings, right? So utilize the time properly. That is the time you have to show your talent, your side, right? Good luck.
Thank you, Shamashri. Next we have Akansha. Hi, Akansha.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. And you can begin. All the best.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm Akanksha from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm 24 years old and I've completed my college last year from BSc Science. And also I've done theater for 3 years. So I have a certificate degree in that as well. I've participated in many in college fashion shows. I keep an interest in music and dancing, but something I'm naturally talented in is writing. I've written many award-winning scripts and many songs for those scripts and plays and monologues in college. Well, recently I just came across a quote. It says that if it's still in your mind, then it's worth taking the risk. And after reading that, one thing came into my mind, and that was me on stage. And that's exactly why I'm participating in this contest. Thank you. Now I'll proceed with my ramp walk. You just give me 5 seconds.
Thank you, Akanksha. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hello, Akanksha. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you. I'm well too. So tell me, Akanksha, do you think it was your day today and you gave your best?
Ma'am, I can do better, but since I haven't practiced for 1 year, it wasn't what I can actually do.
And why is that? Why couldn't you practice?
Ma'am, I did my last in college, and since I completed it that last year, and I'm at home for 1 year, I'm competing for UPSC. You know, I'm a UPSC aspirant. So it wasn't in practice for 1 year.
No, but then when you filled in the forms to participate in the pageant and you knew that today it's your time and turn to walk the ramp. So I'm sure you would have given it a thought and you would have practiced a little many a times or little.
I practiced it since morning. I was practicing it, and you know, I filled up the form very late. It's like I just got late.
So Akanksha, you were very good with your walk. Okay. It is always the feedback that matters. That is why I asked you, what do you think about yourself? Self-image is very important. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Build that.
But
be a winner, you have to build your image in your own mind. You walked well today. Your introduction was also very good. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Akanksha. Thank you so much. And next we have Joycey. Hi, Joycey.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, great. You can start. All the best.
Yeah. Good evening, one and all present over here. This is Joyce Salvi, and I'm representing the largest district, Ahmednagar. this year, I just completed my 12th and I took admission for medical college, as my parents always taught me to give value to others' life. So I like to help others and to interact with them. I also like to make new friends, and I like to travel, to eat, to taste the new dishes, to dance. I also like anchoring. I wanna be a model, and as Joycey means who brings joy. So I want to bring joy to my city, as I already brought joy to my parents, but I want to make them more happy and proud. I also want to inspire and motivate other girls who really think beauty just in their facial mood or external appearance. But I just want to tell them all, your external appearance does not matter. So the most beautiful thing you wear is a confidence. You just need to have that confidence and that potential. I also want to show my talent and potential to the other girls, other girls and other people. You don't need a king to be a queen. You are already a queen. You already born a queen. So everyone is unique and beautiful in their own way. So girls, go ahead and show your potential and talent to the world and be confident. Thank you. I would like to start with my ramp walk.
Thank you, Joycey. Thank you so much. And I would request Smita to take over.
Hi, Joycey.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. So आप आपके नाम को एकदम justify करते हो. You are a happy person, and that we can see from your introduction. So definitely, we hope that you are going to be a happy doctor as well, and you will have happy patients.
Thank you.
Definitely confidence hai aap mein. Everything was fine, but you need little bit more practice as far as your ramp walk is concerned. Definitely confidence, but you need practice.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Joycey. Next, we have Krati. Hi, Krati.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Wait for a while, ma'am. I have to set my laptop. Hi, good evening, everyone. Hi, good evening, everyone. Myself, Krati Gulati. I am from Manasa, state Madhya Pradesh. I am a yoga-holic person who love yoga. And basically, I am a social worker who is always beside to empower women, as I always want health is the one which can rule the world. So I am always beside health. And why only women's? Because ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, एक महिला अगर हेल्दी होगी, एक नारी अगर हेल्दी होगी, उसका फैमिली भी हेल्दी होगा, society भी healthy होगा, and the world will also be healthy. So I mainly focus on women's health and women empowerment. That's all. And I am a yoga association who is connected with All Indian Women Association. You can browse Wiki, and I am a state president, Madhya Pradesh state president of that. And why I'm trying this, because I always want to do something new and new, and this always fascinates me. I want to become Mrs. India, so I enrolled it, and I am here only. Now I will go ahead to ramp walk. Please allow me. Am I visible? Sorry ma'am, मैं audio play नहीं कर सकती हूँ because I am at very short notice और मेरे पास अभी कुछ है नहीं, कहीं मैंने save नहीं किया है. So I'm sorry for that. Okay. Can I continue?
Yes, Krati, you can.
Okay, thank you. I think I'm not visible. How I'm visible? Is it?
You are visible, Krati. Please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Done.
Thank you, Krati. Thank you so much. I would request Shelda to take over.
Hello, Kriti. How are you?
I'm very, very good. Thank you.
So, Kriti, there are certain tips that I'm going to give you when you come for the auditions. Firstly, your introduction was very casual. It seemed as if you're just having a conversation with your jury members. Please make it a little more formal.
Okay, ma'am.
And without music, I just couldn't appreciate your work. And if you know, I felt as if you for the first time switched on the camera to realize that you are not completely visible. When you're giving auditions, you can't be asking the jury members or the organizers, am I visible? Am I not visible? Can you hear me? These are the things that has to be checked from your end first.
Actually, ma'am, I was in a meeting and just now I have arrived.
Whatever that may be, Kriti,
Sorry for that.
the seriousness towards the competition has to be felt by the organizers, even by the jury members.
I'm
Okay?
sorry for that,
Very
ma'am. Yes.
for future.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shelda. I think that was very well put. Thank you so much. And next, we can move forward to Divyani, and post her, the sequence would be Hemlata, Daksha, Akshada, Aditi, Shweta, and Anupam. Hi, Divyani.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. Are we ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All the best.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divyani Chauhan. I'm 22 years old. I belong to a very famous city, and that is the Jhumka city, Bareilly. I am a software engineer by profession who has recently been graduated, and my hobbies include modeling and dancing. Although I am not a trained dancer, but dance is something that I enjoy doing. It is like a therapy to my soul. Other than that, I love modeling. Belonging to a middle class and a job oriented family, it is quite challenging for me to follow my passion of modeling. But I love to take challenges and I want to break all the stereotypes. And I do believe that if we do something with proper hard work and dedication, then nothing can stop success from coming to us. This was all about me. Now I'll continue with my ramp walk. Just a second. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Divyani. Thank you so much. And I would request Smita to take.
Good evening, Divyani.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Divyani, did you know about all the criteria for today's audition? The dress code and all?
Hello.
Hello. Were you aware about the dress code as well for today's audition?
Hello. Sorry, ma'am, I can't hear anything.
Can you just check
Yes,
your...
now it is available.
Yeah. Okay. Divyani, were you aware about the dress code for today's audition, today's round?
No, ma'am. I wasn't aware about it.
So you didn't see the details properly?
Maybe I didn't see the details properly. Maybe.
Yeah, because you were not in the dress that it is mentioned there. See, when you're coming for any audition, make sure that you read everything and each and every point is taken care of, because your points and those will be marked accordingly.
Yes.
Right? Otherwise,
If
everything
I would
was
have read
fine,
about
but
it, I definitely have taken care of it.
yeah, right. So just next time, whenever you are part of anything, make sure that you read everything that comes to you.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Divyani. Thank you so much. Next, we have Hemlata. Hi, Hemlata.
Hi, Harry.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead. All the best.
Greetings to all. So I'm Hemlata Kashyap from Lucknow and belong to an army family. So for me, it's the first time in my family that anyone has ever participated in a pageant. So basically, I'm trying to be a stiletto in a family of boots and flats. So this is all I have to say. And by profession, I'm a chartered accountant. So I'll just adjust my camera just a second. Yep. Done, Harry.
Thank you, Hemlata. Thank you so much. And Chelsea, over to you.
Hello, Hemlata. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. So are you the wife of an army officer or the daughter?
I'm the daughter of an army officer.
So where's your father posted?
Actually, my father is no more. We lost him when we are pretty young. I was 11 years old. So my mother is serving in his place.
Oh, wonderful. I'm so happy to hear that. And you walk well. It's just that your introduction is a little longer. And next time when you give an introduction, make sure that it's at least 30 seconds, if not more. And you walked well, and my compliments to you. Put in more hard work, and you will always see the sunny side of life. God bless.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'll definitely take care of everything you said.
Thank you, Hemlata. Thank you so much. Next, we have Daksha. Hi, Daksha.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. So, hello, namaste, and good evening. My name is Daksha Rupani, and I'm born and brought up in Varanasi. Currently pursuing my graduation in BSc in Interior Designing from Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. Talking about myself, I would say that I'm a very hardworking, passionate, and a creative person. I love exploring new things related to design, and my achievements are like I've been crowned as Miss Teen India 2020 for the beauty pageant called Miss Teen India, and I've participated in International IML for the year 2018. I've also secured 1 gold and 2 silver medals in aerobics and gymnastic competition. My passion is acting, dancing and modeling. And I believe that अगर किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे मिलाने में लग जाती है. And I firmly believe in that. And I have been here to fulfill my destiny. Thank you. And I would like to start with my ramp walk. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Daksha. Thank you so much. And I would request Smita to take over.
Hi, Daksha.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
बहुत जल्दी थी. इतना fast introduction. Right? See, इतने जल्दबाजी में नहीं. Introduction जब आप दे रहे हो, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा है, that is something you should be proud of. Those are your achievements. Those are your talents. So when you are going to say that, say with a proper pause. थोड़ा सा उसमें expressions डालो, right? So you're telling to the people, na, to the world, this is me. So you have to express that way, not so fast. One instance. Ramp first was good, confident, and I like your smiling face.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Daksha. Thank you so much. And next we have Akshada. Hi, Akshada.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. You can start. All the best.
Yes. Hi. Good evening, judges. I'm Akshita Gaikwad from Navi Mumbai. My hobbies revolve around dancing, traveling, and meeting new people. Here is a chance to prove myself that nobody can stop you if you have that stance towards life. But I strongly believe everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason, and we all are born with the purpose to do something or the other. By participating here, I want to take that leverage of opportunity to become one of those, the face of India. Thank you. I'll just start with my rock.
Thank you, Akshada. Thank you so much. Shelza, over to you.
Hello, Akshada. Good evening to you.
Good evening, ma'am.
So I heard your introduction and I also saw your ramp walk, but somehow I felt that you couldn't sustain yourself for that longer period of music. आपने बहुत जल्दी बंद कर दिया within just 1.5 fleet of walk. ऐसा क्यों?
Yeah.
आप nervous हो गए थे? आपको लगा कि जल्दी बंद कर देती हूँ?
Yeah, kind of.
अगर आप स्टेज पे होंगे और अगर आपको 1 मिनट के लिए वॉक करनी है तो आप बताएं आप कैसे हैंडल करेंगे? If you're nervous, will you stand there? Will you go back from halfway? How are you going to handle it?
I'll make sure next time I won't do.
So what is the problem? The problem is that you have to first believe in yourself, Akshada, that whatever that you're doing, you will be able to finish it. हम जिंदगी में जो भी करना चाहते हैं, सबसे पहले हमारे अंदर इतना आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए कि हम जो कर रहे हैं हम उसको खत्म करेंगे. पहले तो आप ये जगाइए अपने अंदर. जब आप ये मानने जाएंगे कि हाँ मैं इसको जो स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ मैं इसको फिनिश कर सकती हूँ, धीरे धीरे फिर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है ये सोचने में कि हाँ मैं इसको जीत भी सकती हूँ. ठीक है, अगर आप पे भरोसा नहीं करेंगे तो बाकी आप पे कैसे करेंगे, आप ये बताएं. Right? The beautiful learning, this journey of yours and FSIA is a beautiful journey. इसको बहुत seriously लो. आप जो जितने भी सुन रहे हैं, all the participants, मैं आप सबको यही कहना चाहूंगी कि सिर्फ जीतना सब कुछ नहीं होता. Often the journey is more beautiful than the destination. आप सबको जो ये training मिल रही है, जो इतना exposure मिल रहा है, राउंड तो आप में से कुछ सिलेक्टेड फ्यू को मिलेगा, पर आप सब विनर्स हैं. You're all winners in your own way because आप जहां से शुरू हुए थे, आप कम से कम 40-50 steps उससे आगे already आ चुके हैं because of the tasks that has been given to you by FSI. जो वो आपको सिखा रहे हैं, करने को बोल रहे हैं, that is probably not your comfort zone, right? So all the best to you and believe in yourself, Akshata.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akshada. And next we have Aditi. Hi, Aditi. Hi, Aditi.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Am I audible now?
Okay. Yes, you are. Are we ready?
Yes. So I would like to start with the intro first. And hi, good evening all. My name is Aditi Kapoor. I'm 24 years old and I'm from Firozpur, Punjab. And I'm currently working as a mechanical engineer. And I firmly believe that women can take over any field and my first step towards that was taking up mechanical engineering, a very male dominated field. And after that, even taking up a job in the same sector, even though I was getting a job in IT, I took up the other option. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting such opportunities further. So thank you. I'll start with my walk now.
Aditi, thank you so much. And we can hear it from Smita, I guess.
Hi, Aditi.
Hi, ma'am.
So, the transition from a male-dominated job and career to this platform. So,
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
find this also challenging?
Yes, it is for me, as I've always been like a tomboy till my college time.
Yes. So, was ramp walk a cakewalk or it was a challenge?
It was a challenge. It's always been a challenge.
Yes, you need a little more practice and you need to loosen up a little bit, Aditi. And otherwise, your confidence and everything was very good. Good luck for you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aditi. Next, we have Shweta, and the last contestant post her would be Anupam. In case I've missed anyone, please put your name into the chat box. Hi, Shweta. श्वेता आप म्यूट पे हो.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Are we
Good
ready?
evening, ma'am. Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you. A very good evening, judges and everyone present here. My name is Shweta Madhvi. I'm 23 years old, born and brought up in the beautiful city of Dreams, Mumbai. Professionally, I'm a mechanical engineer and currently working in the same field. But still, my first love stands still, camera, who introduced me to this glam world, and I believe I'm part of it, and I want to be there like all my life, and that's why I feel I'm here to just explore the inner talent within me. And that's just not it. Dealing with glossophobia in my childhood and eventually overcoming it made me connect more with nature and everything around me, which imbibed in me a lot of qualities like being observant, analytical, creative, which I'm very grateful for. And I believe I have a greater purpose in life, and it's never too late to be what you might have been. And this platform is my stepping stone towards it. Thank you so much. Okay, so shall I start with my ramp up? Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Shweta. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing great, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you so much. And I heard your introduction, which felt it came from heart. And I quite liked
Thank you,
because
ma'am.
people who are aware about their own strengths and weaknesses are the one who can actually take on newer pastures in life.
Thank
How
you so much,
tall,
ma'am.
tall are you, Shweta?
I'm 5'5" actually. I'm wearing 4 inches heels.
Okay. So you managed it really well. I quite loved seeing your walk. It was like a smooth and a well rehearsed walk. So continue
Thank
to
you,
do the
ma'am.
good and shine on. God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. That means a lot.
Thank you, Shweta. Next, we have Anupam, and then we have Nikita Daga and Purvi Shah. Hi, Anupam.
हाय मैम गुड इवनिंग मैम अभी मैं फिलहाल बाहर एरिया में हूँ क्या कर सकती हूँ इस टाइम पे इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकती हूँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है
नहीं अनुपम आप इनकम्प्लीट परफॉर्मेंस नहीं
मैं समझ गई क्योंकि मुझे ना सुबह मैसेज आया था इसके रिगार्डिंग और मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है इसलिए ना मेरा कोई ड्रेसअप है ना कुछ ऑफिस से डायरेक्ट अभी पहुंच रही हूँ घर
don't worry Anupam, you can get in touch with the team and get yourself a later round, so don't worry about it.
Okay, तो मैं कब जाऊँ? Yes.
Next we can have Nikita Daga. Hi Nikita, do you remember the earlier one was Nikita Patil and this one is Nikita Daga.
Okay.
Hi Nikita. Nikita, you need to start your video and audio. All right, I'll proceed and
Hi, ma'am. Sorry for late. Hello. Hello. हेलो कांची मैम, आवाज भी नहीं आ रही मैम आपकी. हेलो.
all right, I guess we can move forward and have Purvi's performance. So for Purvi, Smita, please note that she is performing for a talent round 2. So Shelda, you can skip marking her. Only Smita and Kirti ma'am would be giving her the score. So Purvi, you can start with your performance.
Just wanted to ask something. Just wanted to let you know one thing. The team has asked me to perform all the 3 rounds. So in some more time, I don't know what is the case. Like, do I have to perform for only talent round 2 or what? Because I am already done, but the team has asked. Jaya ma'am has asked.
You could do only talent round 2.
Okay, that's good. So ma'am, I can skip my intro and ramp walk, right?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I am Purvi Shah. I am performing my talent round 2. I have chosen the attire and the makeup, which is related to the Indo-Western thing. So to be, to mention my makeup and everything in detail. When you see here, you can see attire of a very traditional dupatta I have a paranda, I have a choti with a gajra here, and then I have also put, when you see in this particular side, you'll see the traditional red color lipstick. You can see bindi which suits both the culture. And also you can see a very traditional red color eyeshadow, and along with that you can see my nail pen. It's also in a red color, which is considered to be a very traditional thing. On the other hand, when you see this side, also I just wanted to mention one thing. When you see my earrings, it is also a very ring shape or jhumka shape of thing, which is also considered a traditional thing. When you see this side, it is like I'm wearing the shorts, I'm wearing a tank top on this. It's flary hairs. The earring, when you see this side, it is a very Western style. And when you see my nail bed, it's also a very Western style gray or skin color of like this thing. So this is the complete description of my makeup. The reason to choose this particular makeup and this particular theme that I wanted to show that no culture is bad. Every culture has, we hear sometimes that this particular Western culture is not good, or sometimes Indian culture is not good. I would like to say both of the cultures are so good. They all have their own positives. And when we pick the positive things from both the culture, it is, the best comes out. That's the one thing. The second thing I wanted to convey through this theme is the freedom to wear. So everyone should have the freedom to wear, because the girl can, if she's smiling and if she's she can look beautiful and confident. So every culture suits best on her. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Purvi. I would request Smita to comment on your performance.
Hi, Purvi.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. पूर्वी बहुत अच्छे से आपने एक्सप्लेन किया एंड बहुत पेशेंटली एंड वेल एक्सप्लेन बोथ द साइड्स क्यों आपने किया है. डेफिनेटली ड्रेस के साथ आप थोड़ा सा और क्रिएटिव हो सकते थे बिकॉज यू आर वेयरिंग शॉर्ट्स, खाली दुपट्टा लिया था. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कुड हैव ट्राइड 2 ड्रेसेस, तो वो परफेक्ट हो जाता. जैसे आपने मेकअप एंड हेयर के साथ, आपके इयररिंग्स के साथ आपने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, बट विद ड्रेस except for the dupatta you have not changed anything, right? So उस चीज को अगर आप चेंज करते, you would have just worn a legging maybe under a shorts, तो भी फिर आपका थोड़ा सा better हो जाता.
Okay,
right? So think a little bit more creative, but otherwise good.
Yeah, I just missed one thing. I've done, that's why I want to show it. So for the traditional one, I had oxidized bangles, and when you see the Western side, it's a bracelet or anklet type.
See, आपने हर एक चीज को इतना परफेक्टली किया है. अगर आपने आपके कॉस्ट्यूम पे भी थोड़ा सा और ध्यान दिया होता, तो it would have been like 10 on 10.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, noted. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies. This brings us to the end. Thank you so much for putting up such a wonderful show. And now I'm sure the jury members have, the final insights to give. So I would request the OG expert to start with. Shelza, over to you.
Thank you so much, Harry. Like I've already given a feedback today while I was giving, feedback to the girl. So all of you, the girls who are participating today, please understand that firstly, introduction is something that has to be very thoughtfully crafted by yourself. You have to come up with the best qualities that you can talk about, and it must impress the jury members. It is not a confession box where you come and say that what is that you love and what is that you like. It's a competition. So you have to come up with your USP. What is your unique selling proposition? What is that you're good at? And please do not bluff, and don't be very casual in mentioning. And whenever you're mentioning your hobbies, you go out rattling, singing, dancing, and that's all. So you are not supposed to end like this. It gives a very casual tone to your introduction. Introduction is something which is very formal. So firstly, you must have an eye contact with the camera, sit seriously and talk about yourself. And generally, there are counter questions also asked at the introductions based on what you're speaking. So next time, whenever you are facing another round of competition, you have to be mentally prepared and you must know what you have spoken at the introduction round. Generally, at pageantries, when the jury members are asking you questions, your introduction is in front of them. And on the basis of what you have written, the questions are framed for you. So it's a very serious affair. So take it seriously and don't go less than 30 seconds and beyond 45 seconds when you're giving an introduction, because nobody has got a very acute and utter concentration towards you. Judges tend to get distracted unless you're speaking something very, very strongly and you're very confident that everybody will catch your attention. Secondly, when you're doing your ramp walk, please make sure that your heels are worn correctly. Do not wear wider shaped heels, lesser heels, because your ramp walk will never come in grace. At least 3.5 to 4 inches of heel is what you need to wear, irrespective of your height. Irrespective of your height, you must wear it. Don't buckle your knees when you're walking. When I say buckle your knees, it means that you walk with bent legs. If you're walking with bent legs, the grace will never come. So when you're walking, check yourself, look yourself into the mirror and walk. Try and look at yourself, record yourself, and then analytically analyze where have you gone wrong? Why the appeal is not there? Appeal is not there maybe because you're walking with buckled legs, because your shoulders are not rolled back enough to give that feline shape that is desirable on the stage. Okay, and match your expressions when you're walking. Hold your stance. Take a glance at the camera as if you're looking towards the judges. Smile. Half of you don't smile. I don't know why. It is not a ramp walk for a fashion designer where you've been told to have a gothic face or a poker face. Beauty pageant is all about accentuating your personality. And how can you do that without smiling? Smile is the best accessory to have. It conveys much more than what your words can. There's an instant connect between you and the camera the moment you smile. So please generously smile. Okay, it camouflages a lot of your faults if you smile. It's a sign of confidence. So when you walk, and please don't walk without music. Nobody can appreciate your pace without music. It's like eating food bina namak ke. How can we appreciate khana namak ke bagair? Right? And no excuses. If you've come for a competition, you better be prepared for it. No excuses accepted. So next time, be more professional, more ethical, more prepared and rehearsed, and definitely more confident. First, if you want to win the crown, tell yourself every night before you go off to sleep, I am going to win it. I am the queen, and believe in it. If you have the self-belief, nobody can stop you from winning. Nobody. But it has to come from within. I've been telling you ever since that the journey towards pageantry is first taken inside, within you. Talk to yourself, energize yourself in the best possible way, and then you see the outward journey is going to be so beautiful. So that's all from my end, Harry. and I wish all the very best to the girls for their further rounds. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shelza. I'm sure the women have a lot to take here, and I've shared Shelza's Instagram details into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot. The woman has a lot more to offer in terms of her experience and insights to give. So you can find her at @Shelza Shuri on Instagram. And now let's hear it from Smita. Smita, over to you.
Good evening, everyone, once again. So definitely the first thing, a great achievement for each one of you that you are here on this platform and you are participating. That is the first victory each one of you has got today. Now coming, as we are the groomers, so we need to pinpoint certain things which will help you in future. You have got an opportunity of online audition, but many of you have not taken the advantage. One, you have not read the instructions properly. Those rules were not followed, right? The introduction part was not taken care of. Those 30 to 40 seconds that you have to keep your introduction was not taken care by, right? You ended the introduction abruptly by, that's it. That sounds very bad. Right? So you need to check from the jury's angle also. Just imagine yourself sitting on the other side. Would you like that? Would you like to hear such a thing? Acha theek hai, ab bas, itna hi. If we are going to end like this, would you appreciate that? No, na? So you need to end it in a way that gives a proper message. Again, the 90 to 120 time limit which is given, it's your time. You don't have to waste adjusting your cameras, adjusting your music, or asking again and again. That means you're not paying attention when Harry, right from the first participant started, she's been asking, you don't have to ask me, you can start. But still, the very next participant was asking the same question. Can I start, ma'am? Those few seconds, abhi to pata nahi chalega, but those few seconds also matters. That shows your confidence level. So, wo kahin na kahin aapke marks deduct hote jayenge. Now, imagine you appearing on offline. Will you be giving all this? Ye sare fayde milenge wahan pe? You will be confident enough to walk that stage? No, na? आज जैसे आपने परफॉर्मेंस किया, is that a stage या offline level का है? See, don't take this online thing very lightly. This is your stage. Online है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि we are not able to see. We are. We can. Right? So be a little bit more confident, and definitely that smile, that confidence. फॉर्म लिख के हो गया, वो जितना भी सेल्फ डाउट था वो वहीं तक था till you signed that form. Once you have submitted, you have accepted the challenge. Right? Now you have to face the challenge smiling. There is no other way around. You can't turn back. So ये जितने भी self doubt थे, just throw it out. Smile and face. And each one of you can do that. Each one of you have got talent, but express it in a way. सब कुछ डालने की कोशिश मत करो. Each one of you might be having too many talents, but at this platform, which are those talents or which are those qualities which will be appreciated? Try to put only those and try to explain that properly. Right? Don't try to put too many things. वो खिचड़ी हो जा रही है and then you are not able to manage it. फिर वो sentence के कोई link नहीं रह रहे. आप खाली वो explain करते जा रहे हो पूरी खिचड़ी को. Right? So make it very simple, very straight, and concentrate on only few things. Don't try to do everything. दीपिका आलिया को mix करने मत जाओ. Right? 3-4 जन को mix करोगे तो वो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, एक clone बन जाएगा. Right? So keep smiling, be positive. You are each one of you, you are a winner today because you are participating and you are part of this audition. So good luck for you. So that's from my side, Harry.
Thank you so much, Smita. I've shared Instagram details of Smita as well. You can find her at @SmitaGhosh19. And thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much, jury members, for being here. It was an absolute honor having both of you here. And I'm sure, the women have had a lot to take away, and I'm sure they're looking forward to meet you guys in person while they become the winners. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead. I shall take your leave to have some words with the participants. Thank you.
Bye.
Harry, thank you so much.